Whether you love a middle parting or a side parting, watch this video. This spring, the main theme around hair trends is all about asymmetry. And I know before you say it, every season it seems like we oscillate between a middle and side parting, middle and a side, but this season there are so many references that show asymmetry. Now, of course, the easiest way to achieve this yourself is by moving your parting on the side, but you can use that as a technique to get extra volume or just to change up your look. If you've a really symmetrical face, then wearing a middle parting can work really well, whereas most of us, myself included, prefer one side of our face over the other. So incorporating a little bit of asymmetry in your haircut, like parting your hair on one side, is going to draw focus more to the side of your face which you prefer. Not only that, but if you don't mind and you flip from side to side, it's a really great way of retaining volume. When your hair gets flat, change the parting to the opposite side and flip it across the other way. You can do this multiple times throughout the day, and I know many of you do this already. This season it's really about quite a deep side parting, which is giving more drama and more glamour. It's also helping to get extra root lift, so it ties into that old money mob wife trend as well.